All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to leave you here. Basically, we're checking that sight tube there. You can see that top tube is empty. That top sight glass, excuse me. So we're gonna bring that up a little bit. I'm gonna leave you here. Hopefully you can see what's going on. All the hydraulic fluid and steering steered fluid in this John Deere's are the Hy-Gard, or at least for the medium duty tractors. I think that's between like the I think you can see like 40 and some horsepower. This is a 75. Grab a funnel here. I gotta just climb up here and get it done. This is straight from John Deere. I don't, until it's out of warranty, I just go with the dealer stuff. Oops, god darn it. I'm gonna be able to see much, just pouring oil in. Remember, we're looking at that top glass. I think this is maybe just over 4 gallons for the reservoir. You can see we're about 3/4 up on that top sight glass. So okay. I don't know why that's wearing me out so much. He's looking for his home. Anytime I see something like that, oh, where is it on that screen? A little Little cap come undone. Just put that cap back on. I don't know that I know what it's for, but it's a cap and it looks like it's supposed to be on and it wasn't on. So, excuse me. All right. I was just about to do it. A word of advice, just don't go anywhere without putting your caps back in and on. It's barely sprinkling right now, but the water can get in. It's like those those expansion plugs like in a boat. So you want to make sure it kind of seats in here, that rubber a little bit. And put it in. Don't be cranking it down all of a sudden. And it says tighten here, but you're gonna put that on. See, you're gonna sit it. So it is loose at the beginning, but kind of if you put it like this, that's way too loose. Okay, you're just gonna just like that. Then tighten that sucker down. The system has all the breathers, sensors, pressure, all that it needs. So crank that down. That lid's supposed to be tight. Not doing any good if you leave it loose or try to let it breathe or anything. I don't have any other fluids, otherwise I'd be filling up the windshield wiper fluid. So everything got greased except for, remember we talked there's 7. Let's see. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? Well, there's 4 up front. Yeah, 2 right there, and we did these 2. So, I mean, again, the easy way to look at it is anytime you clearly see that there's metal to metal that's pivoting, there's always going to be a fitting. Here, there's a pivot here. There's a pivot here. So there's going to be one here. Come up here. You look. There's a pivot. So the hydraulics are pivoting. And then up here, that's the hydraulic arm that pushes that, your front end, the loader part is that hydraulic. So see, it's pivoting there and pivoting there. Both of them have grease fittings. So again, this is the 5075. Got 2 here, 1 here in the center pivot, 2 there, and then 1 on the rear tires. I did not see if there was 1 on the lower part of that rear tire though. I do not see 1. Better look at that sight window. And I'm going to have to check because I could have sworn there was a fitting for this. See, and again, I haven't lubed this tractor before, but I know that if something pivots, it probably wants some grease. So you got pivots down here, but you got ball joints there. And you come up here, you have that spline gear. Let's see, we might answer our own question here. Nope, nothing. Yeah, I do not see a fitting, and okay. Well, golly, you have to check the a manual. All right, let's fire this up. See if we've got some power steering hum anymore. Yeah, 26 hours. I don't know if I want to do that. I can't remember what's underneath that grass. Should be seeing her pop up. That was her that just plopped out of that corner there. Well, where is she? Let's see.